Hi, I'm Varnaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. Today I have the recipe for you for a tomato chili jam. If you've not tried this ever, it should be on your to-do list. It is absolutely amazing. Let me show you what I made. I made myself a bottle of tomato chili jam. And here's a cracker and let me show you what it is like. Oh my goodness. So let's go to my kitchen and let's get cooking. So we begin with taking a pan over the heat and you put in about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and into that we are going to put in 1 onion that's been chopped finely. Now we don't want to fry the onions, all we want to do is let them sweat. So maybe you can move them around in the pan for about 1.5 minutes or so. Now I've chopped in 3 to 4 nice red tomatoes. In they go, and you start cooking them as well. And now I've added 1/2 cup of a brown sugar substitute. If you don't have that, you can use the normal one. 1 tablespoon of chili flakes. It becomes pretty chili, so you can put only half. 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and I've used 1 teaspoon of coconut aminos or soy sauce. Let it all cook for a little while. You can add salt to it, and you can give it a little taste test in the middle to see if all the flavors are right for you. After a few minutes of cooking, you'll see they've become nice, and it's all the liquids been soaked up, and that's your tomato chili jam.